Hi, this is Richard Jones, the Welsh lock picker, and today I thought I'd share with you my latest eBay purchase. It is this lovely little padlock. I've not seen or heard of this before, and it is a Ross. And on the back it says Empire Made. So, there's a little action to it, works fine. So it says brass cylinder padlock, Ross. Again at the top, Empire Made, and the number 703. No idea what that signifies, but there we go. And it has, if we just get this pick, where are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins, which is quite a bit for a small padlock like this. But again, there we go. And then I'm going to try and open it using some bits from the Lawlock set, and I'm going to use this city rake, which has got one of the new handles I recently had from my friend Julian Wood. So let's see what this takes. It seems to be a bit of a false set. And there we go, we're open. So didn't take much, easily opened, but an absolutely lovely little Ross padlock. Thank you very much for watching. Diolch yn fawr.